So instructions: change the directory to the 2015 Feb directory. So let's see where we are currently. So we are there. So let's go cd, and we want 2015 cd Feb. There, that should be fine. Let's see where we are, and we are in 2015 February now. Oops, keep trying. I don't know why that popped up. Change the directory to 2015 Feb. I'm definitely there. That is weird, unless that there is a different one in blog. Let's see, ls. Nope, that's the only one. cd 2015, then cd Feb. Now if I do pwd, I should be there. Nope, okay. So basically what you need to do, because it's behaving quite weirdly, is if you are already where I am, oops, pwd, I mean, if you're already in 2015 Feb and it's still giving you an X there, then you need to do cd ... cd ... twice to get into blog, and ignore that message. As you can see, we are now in blog. And for the first one to get a tick, you have to do it in the same step. So you have to cd 2015/feb/ in the same step. And if you do that, that should go to a tick. At least it did for me. If it doesn't for you, then please tell me. I will try and figure out a different way that does work. After that, we need to type mkdir, the dir directory media. mkdir media. Again, list all the files and directories in the working directory. You'll see that there is now a new directory named media/. So mk makes a directory. So let's do ls, and now we have a directory called media. Previously we only had circuit board, input, output, and power supply. Now we got the new directory media by using mkdir, which is again a function, and you're passing a name which you want the new directory to be called. So you're passing media to mkdir and it makes a new directory. MK, I'm guessing, is supposed to stand for make. So we know that. Okay, so the make directory command is what I'm going to call it, stands for make directory. It takes in a directory name as an argument and then creates a new directory in the current working directory. So here we use make directory to create a new directory named media/ inside the February directory. Fun fact, February has 2 R's in it, and most people misspell it. Moving on. Navigate to the 2014 December directory. So where are we now? Okay, we need to cd, there we go. I'm doing this so that I know where I am. cd 2014 and then cd deck. You can also do it in one step. I just prefer to do it in one step for some reason, and again it bugs out. So let's show you that it does work if you do it this way. So cd 2014 then deck, there we go. So now it worked. If you do it in one step it works. If you do it in 2 separate steps it doesn't work. I don't know why. I think that it should work, but oh well. Then type touchkeyboard.txt. Oops, before I do that I actually want to list what's in here to show you guys. So touchkeyboard.txt, that does not actually exist here. So let's see what this is going to do. So now we have done that, and if we list it, it makes a new file, which is a text file in this case, called keyboard, and I think that it's going to be a blank text file. So we know how to make a directory using mkdir, and now we know how to make a document, or a text file at least, using touch. So again, list all the files and directories in the working directory. You'll see that there is now a new file named keyboard.txt. Touchkeyboard.txt. So the touch command creates a new file inside the working directory. It takes in a file name as an argument and then creates an empty file in the current working directory. So here we use touch to create a new file named keyboard.txt inside the 2014 December directory. Instructions. The commands we've covered so far are commonly used to navigate the file system. So these are the most common ones that an everyday user might need to know. Although an everyday user is probably never even going to use a command line if they're lower than average, I guess. I don't even know how to say that. So there are more commands you can use to master the command line, and we'll cover them in the next lesson. So let's summarize what we've done so far by moving on. And we got an achievement or badge. I don't even know what it counted as anymore because Codecademy has changed slightly. Congratulations, you've learned 5 commands commonly used to navigate the file system from the command line. So what can we generalize so far? The command line is a text interface for the computer's operating system. To access the command line, we use terminal. You can in Windows, I know you can open terminal by going into the start and typing CMD or command prompt I mean, and you can open it either as administrator or not. You can also do the run type and do CMD there and press enter. It's also going to open the command prompt. I don't know how it works in Mac. I do know that in Linux you can open it. I can't exactly remember how though, sorry. A file system organizes a computer's files and directories into a tree structure. It starts with the root directory. Each parent directory can contain more child directories and files. So it works just like folders and files would do in my computer or in any folder. Just know it as that and you should be fine. From the command line you can navigate through files and folders on your computer. pwd outputs the name of the current working directory. ls lists all the files and directories in the working directory, and cd switches you into the directory you specify. Make directory or mkdir creates a new directory in the working directory, and touch creates a new file inside the working directory. And that's the lesson for today, guys. So if you enjoyed this video, then please give it a thumbs up, share and subscribe. It helps me out, gets me out there, and more people can watch it and learn a bit more about programming and command line and watch my StarCraft videos if they really want to. I don't know if they enjoy that kind of thing, although I haven't made any of those recently. But other than that, if you haven't enjoyed it, then please give me a dislike. Tell me in the comments why you didn't like it. Also, remember to give me suggestions about what you would like to see next after this course, after the command line course or after terminal course, whatever you want to call it, because this isn't that long of a course. It's only 3 hours, which is, I don't know, maximum 20 videos, if even that. So yeah, but until next time, thank you guys so much for watching this video, and goodbye.